Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you on dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone guys. How to on dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone guys. Today I'm going to tell you about this setting in Redmi 10 phone. We will talk about it in this video friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting, then guys come on additional setting. This additional setting guys, click, sorry friends, sorry, come on guys, apps. Then guys you can see dual apps, click here guys, click on create, okay, click on WhatsApp guys, dual apps turn on guys. Wait for some second guys. Yes, now you can see friends, dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on dual WhatsApp in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos.